it's Yvonne here. Today I'm coming at you with a very exciting video today. Yes, I got some friend mail today. My friend Marie, who is here on YouTube, her YouTube name is Marie Just Marie, so go follow her if you would like. She does a bunch of great videos. She does videos on her new pets, which are some starling birds, and just all kinds of great thrift hauls. If you're into handbags like me, then you're gonna love her channel because she does go to the thrift store occasionally and does find some great handbags, accessories, things like that, that are usually sometimes luxury, sometimes designer. You know, you never know what you're gonna find at the thrift. So if you are into those kinds of videos, I will link her channel down below so you can check her out. Again, it's Marie, just Marie, like it's spelled here. I'm going to try and put it here. If not, for sure it'll be linked down below. But to go and follow her, I have been friends with her already for a while here on YouTube. I think before I started my channel, I was following her. And I followed her mostly because she was the only one at the time that was actually going to the thrift store and finding handbags. Yes, nobody was doing it. So, I mean, I know there's a lot of people now that do it, but she was one of the OGs, you know, one of the originals that was going out there finding handbags, finding, you know, wallets and things like that. And that interested me because everybody else was stuck in clothes, and I do not really look for clothes unless it's something that I wear, but not really to resell. And so for me, it was more of, oh, what accessories, what handbags do you find out there? And she was doing just the same thing that I was doing, only I wasn't filming at the time. And so I was like, I liked watching her for that reason. So go and give her a follow. And I just want to shout out and say thank you, Marie, for sending me this. I really do appreciate it. So this is going to be a live unboxing right now. You're going to get my reaction to everything that is in here. This is the box right here. So I have everything in here, and this time I did receive it. Okay, but if you want to follow me, I actually do Goodwill Outlet bid hauls. I go to the thrift stores, the garages, the yard sales, and basically anywhere that I can look for either accessories, handbags, because that's what I like. That's my vice, to say the least. And so I usually go to the Goodwill Outlet bins, like I said, and that's where I find most of the items that either I keep and or I resell. If I am reselling anything, it is on my Poshmark closet at Orihita Girl. So follow me on there if you do not already. Make sure and hit that offer button if you like something or put something in a bundle, and I'll send you an offer. And you save also on shipping if you do that way. But if you want to follow me on my Instagram, I am at Luxury Handbag Cheapskate on there. So make sure you follow me on there if you have not already, and hit that subscribe button, and please hit the like button. But let's get started because I want to see what's in here. So let's go ahead and open the box up and see what's in here. I am so excited to see what is in here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. I think I'm already seeing something that I really like in here, and that is exciting. That is very exciting. So okay, so let's go ahead and get started with something over here in the corner, and see what that is. And here it is. It's all nicely wrapped up, so let's go ahead and see what that is. Wow, I love it already. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a Friends bag. If you know me, you know I absolutely love Friends. And it says Chandler, Monica, Ross, Rachel, and Joey, and Phoebe. So it has all their names. It does say Friends on the inside. And then, of course, it's marked with the Friends logo. So it's an official Friends mug. I absolutely love this because I absolutely love Friends. It is one of my favorite TV shows. And I didn't watch it when it originally came out. I actually started watching Friends, I want to say like a couple of years after it came out. I started to watch it because a friend I had was obsessed with that show when I was in college, And we and her, like, we had a class together and would always discuss what was going on in our favorite shows. And one of them she was watching she was a big fan of Friends, and she told me that, why didn't I watch? And I said, oh, well, because I said I just never started watching it. And so she said, no, you have to watch it. So I did, and I became a fan. So I absolutely love this. Oh, yay. Thank you, Marie, for that. And let's see what else is in here. Okay, there's something here at the bottom. Okay, there's something over here too, so let me go ahead and get that out first. Okay, here it is. Okay, I think this might just be stuffing, but we'll check anyway. You know, you always need stuffing in these bags just to be sure you can get it. This is great. All right, thank you for that. All right, so let's go ahead and open up and see what this is, but I already can tell you that I love it, and it is this really cool Taco-tastic truck. Oh, I love this. I absolutely love anything like this. This is so me. It's by Big Mouth Incorporated. It's called the Taco Bout Delicious Lunch Tote. So it's to put your lunch, which is great because I absolutely love this. I could even use this. Right now we're in Fiesta still, so I could totally use this for Fiesta. Take my drinks and my stuff, you know, gotta have that beer in Fiesta. But I really don't drink beers often, but this was great. I love this. I love the details. It says on the back, let me just show you, it says burritos, tacos, enchiladas, tortillas, and fajitas. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Looks just like a little taco truck. Look at that. Just like a taco truck. Oh, I love this. And here's the front. The front also looks like a little taco truck. How cool is that? Absolutely love this. Okay, so let's look inside. Oh, yes, okay. Okay, let's start with whatever is here in the... Oh, I love this. This says art supplies. Absolutely love that because I absolutely love these little pouches by this brand. This Blue Cube brand is one of my favorites. I love them because they're recyclable and they're always cute. They're always super, super cute. So I love this. It says, feed your creative juices, art supplies, and art. This is cool to put all my planner stuff. I do have a planner, yes. So that's super cute. I'm going to put that in here. And then there's something else here. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, this is the bottom of the taco truck. Okay, and then there's something wrapped up in here. Oh my God, I love this already. It's a Frida Kahlo shirt. Absolutely love this. It says, we can endure much more than we think we can, Frida Kahlo. And it's got her photo here on the side and then her saying, and it is an original Frida Kahlo shirt. And it is my size. So yeah, I love this. And I love the color. Green is my color. In any kind of shade of green, I love green. So I absolutely love this shirt. I would definitely get a lot of use out of that. Okay. I see something cute in here. And it's this really cute little lock. It's a Michael Kors lock with the matching key, which is perfect because I just love locks in general. I have a Speedy. My Speedy does not have a lock. Would it be a shame to put this lock on there? It wouldn't, right? It would be okay. And it's a small lock, so it would fit it. I have two Speedies, a 30 and a 25, but I think the 30 would look good with this. Maybe. But the 30 is from the French collection, so I don't believe it takes those kinds of locks. But there's that. Okay, so now I'm going to open what is in here. Okay, these are cute. They're little pens, and these are little, I believe they're Disney pins, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, they are. They're the pin trading from Disney. This is a Mickey Mouse one. This one is Tinkerbell, a little Tinkerbell one. This one is Stitch. And this one is super cute. It's Minnie. Who doesn't like Minnie, right? Hello, Minnie Mouse. Love her. So these are going to be great because I do put pins on my jacket. I have a blue jean jacket and I do put pins on them. Yeah. And then she said she was going to send me this, so I knew about this. And it is this beautiful Tory Burch wallet. This is in the Saffiano leather. It is beautiful. I love this. Look at that. Hardly any wear at all on this. This looks like it was not even used. It looks literally new. And the best part about this wallet is that it has a little attachment here to put like a wristlet strap, which is perfect because I do like wallets that I can convert into wristlets, honestly. And so that's perfect. You put your phone in your pocket and then you just put, you know, whatever you need inside of your wallet. And there it is. It's marked Tory Burch, as you can see there. So this is definitely authentic in case there's any question out there. It certainly is. And how can you tell? Quality. It's always about quality, because I think a lot of people ask, well, how can you tell if it's authentic or not, the piece of item or whatever you're thrifting? It's always going to be down to quality. Look at the quality, look at the stitching, look at the little details. I know there's a lot of AAA replicas out there, but just trust your gut and look at the stitching. But this is gorgeous. It's got a pocket here. It's got a little zippered pocket here as well. Really cute. It's got another pocket here. It's got credit card slots. Another pocket here. Another pocket here. And then more card slots, as you can see here. And then there is something here inside as well. So let's go ahead and see what that is. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is cute. Some little pieces of what looks like jewelry or something. Okay, first of all, it's this really cute little keychain. This is the miraculous medal of our Blessed Mother's continual tender and love. Let's see. I can't really read sometimes. My reading is bad because I can't really see. Okay, it does say something on there, but I'm sorry, I cannot read whatsoever. But this is Mary. And it says, okay, I'm gonna put it there so you can read it, because I'm sorry, but I cannot read whatsoever. So I'll put it here so you can read it. But there it is. It's really beautiful. So it's a nice little keychain to put on my keys. And then there's this really cute little sugar skull pendant. How cute is that? I like that. I like sugar skulls, so this is, again, right up my alley. And also great to wear in Fiesta, because Fiesta is all about the same. Sugar skulls, fun, anything colorful. So this is perfect to wear. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for everything you sent me, Marie. Thank you so much. I really, really, really enjoyed it. And I have to say, they're probably, I can't choose a favorite. I think they were all my favorite items. I really do appreciate you sending me all this. And yeah, I'm speechless. I really like it. I think my favorite item is definitely this little toggle truck, because I don't think that you can just use it as a lunchbox. I believe you can use it as a little purse, and I think it's cute. So yeah, I would definitely be using that. Especially now in summer, it's so hot. You always want to carry some kind of drink with you or something, right? So this is perfect. Well, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you again, Marie. And I will link her channel down below so you can go check her out. So please go check her out. Tell her I sent you. Tell her Yvonne sent you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!